Something else, these hand controls here, they do not work better when you squeeze them real tight. Good morning from beautiful Southeast Oklahoma. Welcome to Flyover News. Yes, we are Flyover News. Man, it's earlier than usual this morning. Just getting up and around. Been up a while, but it's now getting around. It's very foggy this morning. Extremely foggy, but it's going to lift. It's already starting to lift a little bit. So it's Tuesday morning, and the Bulldozer. Yeah, the Bulldozer was delivered yesterday evening. So a buddy of mine and myself, we worked it for about an hour last night. It's going to be really good for what we're doing. It's going to work out just great, and so we're pretty excited about it. We'll get moving here in a little bit and see if we can crank it up and do some more work all day. I've got 40 hours on it all for the same price, so I think we'll get the project done in 40 hours. If not, we'll rent it some more. But anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. We are Flyover News. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe if you like this channel or you like some of the videos you see. And we appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Thank you. We're going to drop it right out here. Try to get backed in. This young man here, he backed that sucker right in the first stab off the road. Don't have the road blocked off or anything. That was super job. Nerves of steel right there. Nerves of steel. That ought to be about perfect. Okay, we're getting after it now. So we've talked it over. Got a good friend who has done this before and just lives around the corner. Between the two of us, we're gonna split time working on it. And he can't do it all the time and I can't do it all the time. And so I think we have a good plan in place. And he is pushing dirt now. Starting by clearing all the grass and stuff out, and then we get an idea of what kind of soil we got and looking for clay and all that so we can make a nice dam out of it. And this is going pretty good, going pretty quick actually. Okay, so we're getting cranked up bright and early. Sun's not really up yet. The fog hasn't completely lifted, but we can see what we're doing. So he's gonna start with the tractor and we're gonna start taking some of these trees down. This is right on the edge of what will be the edge of the pond, the dam. And eventually we'll build a dam going right across through there all the way around. But he's gonna start taking these trees down. I'm hooked up with the grapple. So he'll go up around on the outside on top, push the trees down, and I will cart them off probably down in there somewhere and start a big pile that the fire girl will enjoy burning at some point. That's the plan.
They push the drive in their country.
Man, we have cleared all these trees out right through here. All this was solid trees all the way around this corner. Cleared out between those big trees. Got some more to do down there, but I have to cut all that by hand. It's too, you can't turn the dozer around in there. It is coming together. This is the first day. He's rocking. He has more courage than me. I don't know about running a dozer off through there. Some of that's pretty steep right through there where he went. This is gonna be a nice pond when we get this done. So he's building the walls and pushing that clay up on all the walls so that it'll be nice and tight. So the pond won't leak, and then package it in by driving on it. Okay, I've been running this a while. I'm sitting inside a John Deere 550K Bulldozer. I thought I'd stop a little bit and give my impressions on it, show a little bit of what's going on in here. Let's see if we can turn this camera around. It has a rear view mirror there. I think that's pretty good for fixing your hair, but I can't see anything else at it. I guess some people do. It's got a bunch of controls here. You know, I don't know what they all do. I don't think I need to. It's got a variety of lights. Let me promise you, I'm not running this thing at night. So that's the start. There's the stop. There's the slow bunny, which is just like the engine speed or engine power, engine speed. And then there's the fast bunny right there. And the rest of it, leave it alone. Don't mess with it. You don't need it. Okay, it's got a parking brake on both sides. You push those forward or backwards. It's got a control here. This is the it's the blade. It's a 6-function blade, so you could turn it, you can swivel it, you can go forward and backwards. That's what it does. This drops the rippers on the back, down, up, and side to side. Over here, you've got the stick shift. It's forward and reverse and left and right. So it turns it left and right. There is no steering wheel. Okay, I'm kind of fond of steering wheels. There is no steering wheel. So this is right, left turn, and it's got a speed control. The speed control will show up here and tell you how fast you're going. So you set it on fast bunny when you're ready to go, and then you turn it right and left. And the most interesting part is it's a decelerator. Essentially, it's a brake. You know, there's no gas pedal on the floor. In fact, there's no gas pedal. It's just when this is up, it goes whatever speed you have it set, both based on these controls, and it shows you on there, and that's what you go. And this will just make you stop. You know, and the tendency if you drive cars and stuff very long is when something is happening, you let off the gas. Okay, well, this isn't the gas. This is the brake. You let off and it gets worse. And really, you're not supposed to ride that. You're supposed to have it set at the speed that you want. And got air conditioning over here. The air conditioning works good. I would say something else. These hand controls here, they do not work better when you squeeze them real tight. So, you know, white knuckling them does not make them function better. But anyway, it is a good dozer. You know, I've never run one before. I've run backhoes and things like that, but I've never run a dozer before. And so we're piling up a lot of dirt now. I'm telling you, we are piling up a lot of dirt. and me and a friend are swapping time out because we both have bad backs, and the suspension on this is not like my pickup. This, in fact, I'm not sure there is a suspension. The C has a little bit of suspension, but not much. But anyway, it's a nice little dozer, and I guess it plays music right there too. You know, I'm having enough trouble just to see what I'm doing. You don't have much of a view out there. I've got that over my head to see out the front. This is what it is, eye level. Then you got this view down here and this view down here, and you just rock along and try to make it work.
There's a reason for the sunshine sky, and there's a reason why I'm feeling so high. Must be the season when that love light shines all around us. So let that feeling grab you deep inside and send you reeling where your love can't hide, and then go stealing through the moonlit nights with your lover. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love grow with the smallest of dreams, and let your love show. And you know what I mean, it's the season. Let your love fly like a bird on the wing, and let your love find you to all living things, and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean, that's the reason. There's a reason for the warm sweet nights, and there's a reason for the candle lights. Must be the season when those love lights shine all around us. So let that wonder take you into space and lay you under its loving embrace. Just feel the thunder as it warms your face. You can't hold back. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love grow with the smallest of dreams, and let your love show. And you'll know what I mean, it's the season. Let your love fly like a bird on the wing, and let your love find you to all living things, and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean, that's the reason. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love grow with the smallest of dreams, and let your love show. And you'll know what I mean, it's the season. Let your love fly like a bird on the wing, and let your love find you to all living things, and let your love shine. And you'll know what I mean, that's the reason. Just let your love flow like a mountain stream, and let your love.
Okay, what were you saying?
It's huge. I don't know why you want it this big.
The pond?
It's huge.
We're gonna have Olympic contests out there.
Oh, ice skating or something?
Well, in the winter, but in the summer we're gonna have
Fishing contest?
yeah, we're gonna have kayak races out there.
Kayak races.
Yeah. And the team where they all sit on the deal and they all, you know,
Rowing?
yeah. Do you call it rowing? Is that what you call that?
I don't know.
So we this is the first day. We started filling clay in up here to seal that. We've taken trees out. It was all, you know, solid along the road. We've taken a lot of trees out. We're down to there taking trees out. We had trees all the way from here. It wrapped around, it came all through here. Solid trees, cedars and all that right out to this point right there. And we've taken all of those trees out, and I've got them all piled back there with the tractor mostly. Some of them we pushed. Most of the time I drug them. And we've started taking all that dirt out and making a pile down there. We've also worked on our crossing down there. Had a good first day. It's about 4:30. I'm tired, I'm beat. We're going to the house, and I'm gonna make Janice cook a big dinner, something huge for all of us.
It's gonna be stew.
She says stew. Stew's great. I like stew. So it was a good first day. The little dozer works really well, and we'll see what we can get done tomorrow.